Humanity has dreamed of reaching Mars for generations, and now, NASA is actually working on making it happen. But landing people on the Red Planet isn't just about rockets and robots. It's about surviving one of the most hostile places in the universe. So, how could NASA actually land humans on Mars, and what could go terribly wrong? First, the plan. NASA's Artemis program is already testing the spacecraft needed for deep space travel. The Orion capsule will carry astronauts from Earth to lunar orbit, and eventually similar tech could extend that journey all the way to Mars. The likely ride? NASA's Space Launch System or a future heavy-lift rocket, possibly paired with SpaceX's Starship. Here's the tricky part: landing. Mars has just enough atmosphere to cause chaos, but not enough to slow a massive spacecraft with parachutes alone. NASA will need giant supersonic parachutes, retro rockets, and maybe even inflatable heat shields just to touch down safely. Once on the surface, survival becomes the mission. Astronauts will need to build habitats protected from deadly radiation, recycle water endlessly, and generate oxygen, possibly using MOXIE-like systems that convert Martian CO2 into breathable air. But here's where it could all go wrong. Giant dust storms can last for weeks, blocking solar power. Spacesuits could rip in the sharp, toxic dust. Medical emergencies would be almost impossible to treat. And if the life support systems fail, there's no quick ride home. Still, the risks haven't stopped us before. Just like the moon landing, the journey to Mars will push humanity to its limits. It's not a question of if we'll get there, but when and whether we'll be ready for what awaits us. So, what do you think? Are we prepared for the greatest leap in human history? Or are we underestimating just how dangerous Mars really is? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of space exploration.